The linear function g is defined by g of x equals to b negative 15 times x, where b is a constant. If g of c positive 7 equals to c over 4, where c is a constant, which of the following expressions represents the value of b? Okay, using the given information, we have to solve for b. Okay, now let me take the second equation we have over here. There is g of c positive 7 equals to c over 4. And in the first equation, this is the stuff we have for g of x. Now to get the stuff for g of c positive 7, we have to plug in this c positive 7 for x over here. Then I'm getting b negative 15 times c positive 7 equals to c over 4. Okay, now in this equation, we have to solve for b. First, let me get rid of the denominator 4 over here. For that, we have to multiply both sides of the equation by 4. Okay, then this 4 will cancel out. We can distribute this 4 to this b and this one. Then I'm getting 4b negative 4 times 15 is 60. That is 60 times c positive 7 equals to c. Okay, 4b. Now we can distribute this negative 60 to this c. Then we get negative 60c. When I distribute this negative 60 to this positive 7, I'm getting negative 420 equals to c. Okay, now let me add 60c to both sides of this equation, and also add 420 to both sides of this equation. Okay, then this negative value, positive value will cancel out. The same here. We get 4b equals to, when I combine this c and the positive 60c, I'm getting positive 61c. And we can write this positive 420 as it is. Okay, now let me take this equation as it is. It is 4b equals to 61c positive 420. Okay, now to solve for b, I have to divide both sides of the equation by 4. Then this 4 will cancel out. I am getting b on the left side. Since 4 is a common denominator, it can be taken as denominator separately for this one and this one. Then I am getting 61c over 4 positive 420 over 4. b equals to 61c over 4. When I divide this 420 by 4, I am getting 105. Here I got the value of b. So I find this 61c over 4 positive 105 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.